Hey everyone, we are here today with a Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty. So this one is called Superfly, and this is one of their illusions putties, which basically means it's kind of like this shimmery, reflective, holographic, changes color under light. It really shifts color around and does lots of fun illusion-like appearance. So this is the 3.2 ounce size or 90 grams. The back here has a little bit of a description about the inspiration for the putty, and then again talking a little bit more about it. So metallic green and black to gray and silver. These illusion putties, I will tell you this, they are very, very fun. They're one of my favorite types of putty. Just the element of it here being so metallic and shimmery, and all the color change is really something to see. So let's get right into it and we'll take a look. So right off the bat, just super beautiful putty. You can see it's just so shiny, so reflective. This one is very, very green initially. And the really cool thing about these illusion putties is that they really do change color based on the light that you're in. So like right now, I'm in one specific spot of my room recording this. I'm under a pretty bright light. But if I were to walk to maybe the other side of my room or take it outside in the sunlight, it completely changes. You might see a little bit more, blacks and grays. You might see a little bit more yellow and gold. It really does shift quite a lot. Like there's very green holding it that way. This way it's a little bit more grayish. Just really, really pretty. And I love all these little like black spots when it's sitting flat in the tin as well. So let's get this out here and we'll take a closer look. Okay, so again, just look at this. This is a beautiful putty. Super, super pretty. And always when I'm playing with these, I kind of go a little bit speechless just because I'm so mesmerized, to be completely honest. I'm just like taking it all in awe, just how pretty these illusion putties really are. I mean, look at that. I'm even kind of getting a little bit of, on my end, some purple, I believe. I'm kind of seeing a little bit of purple on my end, like on the back here, like purple and blue. But I mean, by default, I would say this one's mostly green, yellow. Look at, there's that purple and blue again. You guys see that on the camera? That's what's so cool about these illusion putties, is you just get such a wide range of fantastic color. Really, really pretty putty. Now, as far as the texture goes, I would say that these illusion putties too are very soft. So the putties usually range in texture from soft to firm. And these are very, very soft putties. Probably some of the softest putties that Crazy Aaron's makes. And for that alone, I think they're worth having in the collection. Just because, if you're a stretcher or if you're a squeezer, the soft putties are really good for that type of play. It's really, really fun. But again, I just can't get over how pretty this is. These illusion putties are seriously one of my favorite types of putties that they make. I hope that they keep making more putties like this in the future. I believe I have 4 of these. Yeah, I have 4 of the illusion putties. And they're all beautiful. They're all different, shades of colors, but they're all beautiful in their own way and some of my favorites. But yeah, this is that Superfly. Mostly like a green-based one with some yellow and gray and black. But we got some other colors like the purple and blue, which is really, really fun. But that is it here for your Superfly putty. If you have any questions about this one, just let me know down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I would definitely appreciate a like on the video and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. But that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon.